Pollutants can be thought of that material which causes water to be unfit for consumption and/or life. Based on the nature of a pollutant's origin, there can be point sources and dispersed sources. Point sources refer to discrete locations where a pollutant can affect water, like pipes, a faulty septic tank, or an effluent discharge from a wastewater treatment plant. Dispersed sources are sources that are not identified as point sources, and examples include the runoffs from agricultural areas. A subtle implication of the difference between point and dispersed sources is that point sources are easier to control because you know exactly where they are, whereas dispersed sources are not. Therefore, it's a lot easier to treat water that's been affected by point sources versus dispersed sources. Based on their environmental and health effects, pollutants can be broken down into the following 9 categories. The first 3 are typically caused by domestic sewage, which is typically the wastewater from residential properties. These pollutants contain pathogens and oxygen-demanding substances. The next 3 are typically discharged by agricultural and industrial areas. They are also very infamous because they included examples like DDT, which is now banned. Sediments, heat, and oils will be discussed a little more in later chapters.